Yo, what is up all you credit repair hustlers? Guys, first of all, I'm putting out this amazing video that's going to explain exactly how we get credit repair clients on demand. How you can get 2,000 pre-qualified scheduled and confirmed appointments within the next month, maybe a month and two. So check out that video. It's going to be posted in the description. Second thing is, if you guys are interested in actually getting these pre-qualified scheduled and confirmed appointments, guys, it's pretty simple. The entire concept is this. You run like a simple Facebook ad, or we do some influencer marketing. Let's go first, Facebook ad. We run some Facebook ads to a little messenger bot sequence that just strikes up a conversation with them. What we then do is we have an appointment setter that talks to this person once they feel right to actually chime in this conversation to the messenger bot. Chime in the conversation, the appointment setter, schedule an appointment for your closers. Appointment setter notifies the closers, assigns it to a closer, and the closer actually closes the appointment for you. Then what they do is, once you get the sale, once you have that close, everything is automated, by the way. Once you have them closed, you automatically send them a couple of text messages, emails, and voicemails. Usually around 30 days after, 45 days after, maybe even 60 days after. Usually that's when you can kind of provide some more results in your credit repair business. We send them out some text messages asking them for referrals, testimonials, and mainly video testimonials. This way you can use that for your website, you can use that for the landing page, and we can use those for more ads to bring you more traffic. And with those testimonials are the best to use for influencer marketing. What we do with those is you compile them into a video, we put them onto some influencer's page, or we pay the influencer to make a video about themselves, or maybe we fix the credit of the influencers for free or something. This way they can do a testimonial, put it on their page, and they can drive more traffic to our landing page. On the landing page, once again, it has all the testimonials on there, and the entire point of the landing page is just to schedule appointments, okay? So all your organic traffic and all that influencer marketing, all that stuff is going to this landing page where there's a scheduled appointment with you, and from there it kind of goes to the process again. Schedule an appointment, closer hops on, closes that, and goes to the entire system again to get more testimonials and more referrals. Guys, the beauty behind this is that it's all automated. So we have an amazing CRM sequence that handles right now it's 8 different situations. So let's say, for example, between the time of the first appointment and, let's say in the first appointment you're not able to close them. So in between the time of the first appointment and the next appointment, maybe I always try to tell people, if you can't close them on the first call, schedule another appointment. So if you're not able to close them immediately, I always tell them schedule another call for them and put them into the needs nurturing campaign. We just send them emails, text messages, and voicemails, and more Facebook ads, so that by the time of the second call, you're more easy to convert. So what I'm trying to say, guys, is we have every situation laid out. Guys, I've been working with a bunch of credit repair companies lately, and we have every situation laid out. And what I want to be able to do is I want to offer you this entire system on a very cheap rate and with our guarantee, guys. Money back, 100% money back guarantee, guys. If you're interested in a little bit of consulting to elevate your business from where it already is to the next level, like I said, you already have some of these systems in place, you just need some consulting with marketing, consulting with some systems that you have to make everything more automated, whatever it is, schedule a strategy session with me down below. If you're interested in the actual CRM, guys, that automates your entire onboarding procedure so you can onboard clients while you sleep, schedule a strategy session with me. If you need more appointment setters, schedule a strategy session with me. If you need closers, schedule a strategy session with me. And the best part about the closers is they're percentage based, so that they actually work as hard as they're willing to get paid. Last thing that we have is also the done for you service. Guys, if you're interested in just a credit repair business in a box, guys, if you're interested in just having everything done for you, everything just flowing the right way, so that you can just make money as soon as possible, like that, schedule a strategy session with me, and I'll be more than happy to run you through the numbers. I'm more than happy to take you through the process and implement this in your business so you can elevate it beyond the moon, guys. Credit repair business to the moon, guys. If you're interested in any of that, click the link down below, schedule a strategy session with me. If you're interested in a more in-depth look of the actual systems we have in place, click in the description you have a little link of a YouTube video that's going to explain the entire process in a little 10-20 minute video. So guys, once again, schedule a strategy session with me and I'll be more than happy to elevate your business to the next level, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Questions, comments, concerns, comment down below. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.